Hey boys, got another little video for you here tonight. This one is on an older realistic scanner. It's a realistic Pro-57. It's just a 10-channel direct entry, a programmable scanning receiver. Its receiving capabilities are 30 to 54 megahertz, 138 to 174 megahertz, 380 to 512 megahertz, and it runs on 12 volt DC 300 milliamps. The serial number on this one is 840403, and of course the old realistic Radio Shack date code of 7A9 right there. So what I'm planning on doing with this one tonight, there's two modifications I'm doing with this one. One is this antenna jack. I'm planning on replacing this with a B&C connector. And the other modification I'm planning on doing with this particular scanner is doing a discriminator modification. So you can listen to some interesting, or decode some interesting transmissions, such as POXEG and whatnot. Okay, so what you need for this, you need a 10K resistor for this modification. And according to the article, a 2.2 nanofarad capacitor as well. So when you have your radio, turn her this direction, and the spots where you're doing your modifications, basically you're going to solder one side of a resistor to TP5, which is right there. TP5 right there. And between the 10K resistor, the other side of the resistor then goes to the 2.2 nanofarad capacitor, which then goes to TP6. So you have a resistor and capacitor in series with each other. You mount a jack in the back of the scanner right here. Use a shielded cable. The shield connects directly to TP6. The center conductor of that shielded cable connects to between the resistor and the capacitor. That's where the center connection of the shield goes to, or the center of the shielded cable goes to, I should say. So right now what we're going to do, I'm going to solder the resistor and capacitor in here and just show you how that's done. But if you can see it, again, right there, it's a little piece of metal sticking up. Right now I got my light literally right on it here. That's TP5. The other one is over here, which is TP6. So we'll solder the two the resistor and capacitor in there. Okay, so right now we're going to, I don't know why I keep saying I'm going to solder my 10K resistor. One leg of the resistor to right here. TP5, and then my ceramic capacitor then connects to TP6. One lead of the capacitor connects to TP6. And she's going to video bomb us for the second time.
They didn't, not only that. That means using
the capacitor sits there.
Do you want me to show you how to do it?
But I'm just going to let this roll. I'm just going to let this roll. I'm not even going to edit this out. I'm just going to let it roll.
That's not what I mean.
See yourself.
Why are you drinking Diet Pepsi?
Because it's there.
Just don't drink as bad.
Can we do our video?
Not until I get this out.
Should I keep recording?
No, yeah, I don't care. They just use the cheap materials, but they also was all fit. Oh,
okay.
Oh.
Mo loves to video bomb my videos, as you can tell. You'd be surprised how many times I've edited my videos where she's walked in on us. She just did it again. But I'm just going to let her roll. Anyhow, so we got a resistor here, as you can see, right there. We have our capacitor right here, right there. So now we're going to solder two of those together. The resistor and the capacitor. So they're in series with each other. Put two of those in series. Just like that. Just like that. You can see it. There you go. You should be able to see it there. Alright. So that's that part of the modification. So next thing we have to do, we need to put a jack in the back of the scanner, right here. Right there, or wherever you want to put it, but the easy spot is right here. So we can drill a hole in the back of here and mount the jack. The jack I got, it just takes a regular mono plug, like I have an old radio. So we're going to mount that in the back of the box right now. Okay, so for this modification, I'm going to use a stepper bit. I'm just going to jut a stepper bit with the center of that. I don't want to make this hole any bigger than than it needs to be. So we're just going to very carefully pop a hole in the back of this here scanner. Right there, looks about good. Alright, there's our hole. So do a little test fit, see if this connects to it. Oh. So we need to make it a little tiny bit bigger. Need to make the hole a little bit bigger. Now let's see if she fits. And now it will fit there. So now we just mount that in there. Tighten it up. Put it in, tighten it up. There's a little fiber washer on that little jack. You're not going to need it. Remove it, but keep it. And fight with the jack, obviously, because you know. Put her through. And would you believe it? That plastic is a bit. That plastic is a bit too thick. Oh no! Oh no! What are we gonna do? Oh no! Blooper! Not much of a, well, it was a blooper of such, but getting that jack through that plastic and tighten it up, my sunny boys. Not easy at all. Anyway, so what I had to do, drill my main hole through, just for to fit that through, and then I had to use my stepper bit, and I had to make like a little countersunk kind of thing in the plastic, and the nut that tightens the jack on, instead of the flat side down, what I ended up having to do was take the nut and turn it upside down, so the pointed end of that nut goes into the plastic. And then I had to tighten the plug to the nut basically by rotating the jack. Rotate the jack. So it went tight. Yeah, anyway, be very wary of that. This will work, but yeah, be very wary of that. Alright, just a FYI on that one. So anyway, so next thing we got to do, we got to make up our little shielded cable, piece of coax, whatever you want to use on it. And it's going to go basically from your jack over here, right, to be soldered there. Your center of the cable is going to connect between the capacitor and the resistor right here, and the shield of your cable goes to TP6, which is the ground of the radio. So, fun times. So this side here is big enough for what I want to do here. So now I need to do my cable on this side so it solders on there, connects to that jack. Okay, so I have my jack wired up. You can kind of see it there. Cable goes in, Here's your resistor, ceramic capacitor. Again, the center of the cable connects to between the resistor and the capacitor, and the shield of the cable goes to TP6, which is ground on the board. That's it. So it goes from here down to there to the jack to the outside world. Now she has that is a discriminator cap or tap. So now this you can hook this up to your computer, and you'll be able to decode some digital modes that normally you wouldn't be able to without this discriminator tap. Anyways, that's that part of the video. So now we got the B and C over here to do. Maybe I should have did that before I did this. Anyway, let's swap it out. Hey guys, we got the B and C connector installed. It's a bit of a nuisance, but I got her done. That's the old jack. So you know, if anybody needs that, let me know. Might be somebody out there might have a B and C inside the jack and want to change it back to that. But in any event, I might have a couple of these actually, maybe 2 or 3 of them. So if you're looking for one, let me know. In any event, there's your B and C. That's discriminator tap on that side. Of course, power. And the receive is pretty good on this scanner, just as it is, even without an antenna. So, yeah. Anyway, a little bit of an upgrade for the realistic Pro-57 10-channel scanner. The only thing, other modification I might do with this later on, is the memory. As soon as you remove power from this here scanner, she loses her memory right away, like immediately. Let's remove power from her then. Turn around. Oh, she did keep it. Normally she lost power right away. Anyway, I'm not sure how long she holds, but it's not very long.
6:36 p.m. Newfoundland Daylight Time, Sunday, June 16th, 2024. Tonight, increasing cloudiness. Showers this evening. Amount 5 millimeters over northern sections of the Bay d'Ivert Peninsula. Fog patches developing overnight. Wind west 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 40, becoming light late this evening. Low 10. Monday, clearing in the morning. Fog patches dissipating in the morning. High 20 except 14 in onshore winds. Monday night, a few clouds. Wind becoming west 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 40 in the evening. Low 11. Tuesday, a mix of sun and cloud. High 23. Tuesday night, cloudy periods. Low 12. Wednesday, a mix of sun and cloud. High 21. Wednesday night, cloudy periods with 40% chance of showers. Low 14. Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud. High 24. Thursday night, cloudy with 60% chance of showers. Low 11. Friday, cloudy with 60% chance of showers. High 17. Friday night, cloudy periods. Low 10. Saturday, a mix of sun and cloud. High 19. Forecast for St.John's and vicinity issued by Environment Canada at 8:26 p.m. Newfoundland Daylight Time, Sunday, June 16th, 2024. Tonight, a few showers ending late this evening, then mainly cloudy. Amount 2 to 4 millimeters. Fog patches developing this evening. Wind west 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to...
Anyway, enough of that. Anyways, this realistic Pro-57. Little upgrades. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we shall chat later. All the best. 7-3.